Hi, I'm Kartika. I'm B Computer Science graduate from Ara Engineering College. I joined SLA October last month. Before that, I searched for some jobs. I didn't get. Sometimes I'll get through in apps, but I won't get through in technical rounds. I thought that I am lacking in technical skills. That's why I joined SoftLogic in October month. My course started in November month first week. Actually, to improve my frankly speaking, to improve my technical skills, I joined SLA. But I don't actually. Somebody will say consultancy can't trust consultancy because they won't provide. They just say 100% placement. But they won't provide. Actually, my mind thought also like that only. I don't think there will be 100% placement. So I thought to learn some technical. I want to be strong in technical. That's why I joined a course. Then I can search a job directly. That's why I joined SLA. But my trainer name is Parandaman, Superman, really. Apart from theoretical, when you complete the semester, only you have a knowledge in theoretical. You don't have a knowledge in practical. If you ask to write a program to sort an array, also you at least you'll take off in a time. That's what our level in theoretical level will be good, but in not in practical. If they give lab test, means definitely will get out. And that's why actually my plan is to improve my technical skills. I didn't trust about the placement. My trainer name is Mr. Parandaman. Actually, he'll give very importance to the practical language. Just 2 or 3 lines only. He'll theoretically he'll explain, but we give more importance to the practical appointment. That's a practical is a major difference. Then coming to the main plus point is internship. I think this is the difference between the soft logic and other institutes. The main thing is the internship. They'll give real-time projects. Already they'll predefined projects. They'll give a project to real-time projects to do for it. Actually, what you learned for 3 months in a training period, you will get very thorough in the internship. After we go through in an internship, we'll get very thorough what you learned practical. If they give lab test, means frankly speaking, my first interviews in SunSmart actually in lab test we get through the they'll ask, "Are you fresher?" Actually, they shocked by. Yeah, actually, they shocked because we already know about the grid view database. We already have done that project in internship, so it's very useful for me. Actually, I get through in that lab test. And they shocked actually. Are you fresher? Because they won't do this practical things. Actually, we did above what they asked. Then internship is a main factor. Then coming to the placement, really placement officers will take care of you well, really. If you make use of it, definitely will get placed in a good company. By seeing some feedbacks, negative feedbacks in the website, you may think that it may be true. They won't place you, but don't trust it. Definitely it's false. Actually, if you perform well, definitely you'll get placed. Now I got placed in Adobe Sense Technologies in Bangalore. I'm so happy about that. Thank you so much.